Hi, I'm Uncle Mark. Welcome to my channel. Boy, you're going to be happy you found me and I found you. If you've been trying to unplug these cam position sensors on your little GM or, well, I guess it's either an Equinox or a Terrain. Oh, what a struggle. But it's going to be real easy. So give me a couple minutes here. I'll show you how to do it. We had a little bit of trouble working on my buddy's vehicle here, and hard to see these. And of course you get grime on them and oil and whatever else. This is basically what they look like, right? Now, I've got this white piece here that you're going to want to, it needs to move out. It's like a lock. So the whole piece needs to move out. Both sides are it's all one piece. So how do you get it to unclick and move out? Well, it's actually not that bad. This is what it needs to look like once it comes out, because this black part here is actually the button you need to press to unlock this whole connector. But of course that white lock is in the way. Now see this there's kind of a hole under here, square hole. And what it's doing is, if you can get something in here, we played around with it for a little bit here trying to see how can I unhook it, how can I unhook it. So basically you need to stick something in here all the way inside, right to about there. And then when you do that, this white piece will come off. So we tried a whole bunch of different kinds of things. It's not very big. I was thinking maybe a guy could use like a pick, like a little pick tool you'd use for like O-rings or something. But if you don't have that, how about this idea? I had a pop rivet. Fits in there perfectly. Once you get that in there, it's a little tight. But if you grab it from the bottom here, not at the top, but the bottom, just gently pry on both sides, it should come out. You could also use, I imagine, a finishing nail or something. That probably would work too. Or if you had some, but it's a small hole. But look, it unlocks it. So once you get that out, oh, came a little too far. Don't need it all the way out. Then you can push that black tab. I think we're going to try and just sit it back in there for a moment. And that should do it. As long as you don't push it in all the way. Once you do that, you'll see you freed up this little black tab, and just push down on it and you can pull the connector out. Hopefully push down right there. I'll show you from the inside. You'll see the piece moving. Little catch, that's there you go. Once you do that, you should be able to pull it out and it'll be done. Hopefully it's helped you. So I hope that saved you a couple minutes. We spent a lot of time trying to figure it out. Give me a thumbs up if it was helpful for you, please. You can also subscribe. Down in the corner, I've got lots of videos on the Equinox and the Terrain, and more coming. As well, I'm always trying to work on something. What else can we do here? Oh, I'll give you a playlist on the Terrain and Equinox. Just above the blue circle there, the flashing yellow arrow will point you to a card where you can see the playlist yourself. I guess that's going to do it for me on this short video. Got some bonus stuff you want to see at the end there. Other than that, you and your family stay safe. Bye-bye from Uncle Mark. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and you'll get all the notifications. It's easy. The little dog will show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell.
But if you took a hole, this guy is suggesting they could poke down there.
See, if you look down the hole, you'd think you could poke down the hole there. Yeah, like a T-pin or something like that, or a picker, a little pick tool.
Even a finishing nail.
Yeah. Yeah, it's unlocking something in here.
Okay.
You can see that little guy.
You can't see the other end. No, the other end is way down there. Okay.
Do you see that right there? The black clip? Yeah.
I remember somebody seeing a Shelby on Moray Street. Guy I knew, his dad bought a Shelby that had the scoop like this on it. And this was probably back in like 1971.
It's a Mercury though. It's underneath where? Here? It's missing. It says Monarch. Monarch. It's a Mercury Monarch. Yeah, nice.